This is what you see inside. It's the brush motor. Okay, so the problem was the wire. The positive wire was crispy and become disconnected, so that is inside here. And this is the magnet, heavy magnet, and this is the outlet. So the down section is the motor and upper is a pump. The pump is like that, so you can see spinning very high RPM, so it can push the water through here. Okay, it's like that. So that pump is not brushless, it is a brush motor, so there is no problem if you mistakenly connect the polarity wrong, just it will spin in the opposite direction. So you can change the polarity and the voltage from 12 volt 24 volt you can use it, but 12 volt it will very low RPM and 24 volt it will high RPM and suitable. The 12 volt pump not recommended. To change the wire, maybe it's sometime difficult to pull out the old wire. If you cut it from here and try to pull out, and still there is a remaining of the wire like that, so you can use the soldering iron. Okay, like that. So carefully just use it, so at least it can clear the hole, and then you insert the new wire and use the silicone after that. But like that you can clean the the hosing. Now the hole is clean because we use the soldering iron inside, and the rest, the cable and the rubber silicone, we scratch it, clean it, and now we will insert our wire. Here is 24 volt. Let's see how much is the pressure of that one. The pressure on 24 volt is like that, like this. It's increased. If I switch this one on to 12 volt, then pressure is like that. That is the difference. So now we will test this, the 12 volt pump on to 12 volt and 24 volt, if the same pressure outlet or it's increase. Connection is ready, and I will put this pump inside here and let's on. The first I will on to 12 volt. Okay, so this one you can see that is running on 12 volt. Okay, this is the 12 volt pump. Now we will shift on to 24 volt and see how the pressure increase. And now I shift to 24 volt and let's see. You see the pressure is like that, so it means no problem if you're running your 12 volt pump onto 24 volt. To open this pump, these two screws to open the motor body, and up there these three screws is for the pump body. Let's open first. See, very easy. So that is the magnets inside, identical to the 24 volt label, right? Very similar, and look, same. So this means these pumps can be used for 12 volt and 24 volt. There is no difference. You can see the winding also is the same as the 24 volt that we repair. So this pump definitely can work for 12 volt and 24 volt. This why they label the flow maximum head 20-meter, maximum flow, like that, what they make for 12 volt. Of course, if you are running on to 12 volt, so the RPM is low, right? So definitely on 24 volt it can push more, uh, you know, more water, but on 12 volt little less. So in the short, these pumps, 12 volt label or 24 volt, both you can use it on to 24 or 12 volt. They are same, no difference. Just these two screws, very easy to open. See, brushed motor, same, exactly the same. We replaced the wire, the previous one. Now I will put back. To put back the motor, this hosing, the cover, this one, very easy, yeah? Just you put back these first, so the alignment will be easy for you to do from the top, and you put the seal correctly. Actually no problem, even if this one go the water inside, nothing gonna burn, because this is a nut brushless. So we will just put this one, and remember the fixing back the cover, the polarity of the magnet. You see the which is little deeper, that is to the upside, which is very shorter, that is to the bottom side. If you put this one on the wrong direction like that, you know, for example, if you put this one in wrong, so it will be like this is not good, huh? So you have to always put into the right direction like that, and we are ready to go. Just strong, huh? Okay, you see, this is automatically pulled to the full edge, and you check the seal is correct, and then just this the back cover, which already have a seal also, this one on the side, so can put back like that, and just little press it. So this is the pump what we discover, that is also identical, 12 24 volt are same. About the 12 volt system, if you want to run this one on 12 volt, if your well is not very deep, so yes, you can use it on 12 volt. If your well is very deep, more than 40 feet, I will recommend you can use the 24 volt battery or 24 volt adapter for this pump. Nothing to worry about the 24 volt using on this 12 volt submersible pump, because this wire will become also as a resistor due to the very long. So again, these pumps are inside same 12 volt 24 volt, just the difference is the label. If you are using on 12 volt, the RPM is low, the water pressure will low, and if you are using on 24 volt, the RPM will high and the pressure will high. So definitely I recommend that one to use on 24 volt. So hopefully this video is very informative for you. So if you like it, thumbs up. Thank you very much.